Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do 3 speed tests on Jetson Pro, Jetson Haze and ONEBOT S7. All of them is mini bikes. I'm gonna do the throttle test and the pedal assist test as well to see which bike is riding the fastest. So this one is Jetson Pro, 350 watt motor, and it is fully charged. This the problem with this bike, usually the handle link this bike is not stable because of small wheel, but that's okay. I'm gonna pedal to the point where I'm gonna do the speed test, so all the bikes are fully charged to make sure you got fair speed test. Now I'm going to do the speed test on Jetson Pro, and let's go. Throttle only. Okay, and GPS show me 10 miles an hour, 12, 13, and it's only 13 miles an hour, and there's no any feeling it will go any faster. So I'm gonna go back and show you how fast it can go with pedaling as well, to see how fast it can go. So today I'll go only with GPS, because ONEBOT has a display. I'll do the same distance for all the bikes, but so far it's very stable, 13 miles an hour plus 2 miles behind, so it makes about 15 miles, 15 and a half up to 16 miles, because GPS always 2 to 3 miles less, as I said before. So now I'm gonna try to do pedal, okay, and see how fast it will go. 13, 14, 15, so plus 2 miles, you can add it, or 2.5, and 15, 16 miles an hour plus 2 miles. So the top speed was about, and it's killing my legs to do it. Yeah, the top was like 16 plus 2 or 3 miles, so between 18 to 90 miles, that's it. And now I'm gonna do the Haze to see how fast it will go the same way. And this one is a Haze, also 350 motor, and let's see how fast. Last time I tested it was about 2 miles faster. That's what I thought, but today it's gonna be better test, because we'll do at the same weather condition, so it's a big difference. And the Haze actually not fully charged, I'm sorry, it's only 3 bars, but it shouldn't be much problem. And now I'm gonna do this test on the Haze. I almost got a wheelie. So you get a little bit torque, better torque. It's already 11 miles now, 12, 13. So it's holding on 13 miles an hour and 14 now. So it's already a little bit faster than Jetson Pro. The only thing is it's only 2 bars, so it's not actually equal, but again, so it's 13. Last time I tested it was going about 14 to 15. So probably because of the battery discharge, only 2 bars right now shown, because it's most likely about 60-70% charge now. It's only going 13, almost the same as Jetson Pro, but I would put extra miles and see. Yeah, I would say extra mile faster than Jetson Pro, because the battery is discharged here. So let's go back and see how fast now it will go with the pedaling. So it's 13, 14, 15, So it's much better pedaling, but you cannot go more than, I mean, you may be, but for me, I'm not in that shape and I don't want to fall from this bike. 15 miles, 50 miles an hour. It's plus 2 to 3 miles. It would be about 17 to 18 miles, I guess. Okay. And Haze, since it's a 16-inch wheels, it's much better riding experience, as stability of the handlebar. You have better stability, that's for sure, because the 16-inch wheels, so it's more stable. But as you can see, the speed very similar to Jetson Pro. And this one is ONEBOT S7, and I'm gonna ride it now. So this bike a little bit different, as it comes with a display already. The position is a little bit better because I can completely straighten out my legs, since this handle, since the post seat can go up. Also handlebar a little bit higher than Jetson Pro or Haze. And let's go and see. And riding this bike is more stable, as handling I can feel about the same as Haze, because the 16-inch wheel, but when you pedal it, you can better pedaling. So I'm pretty sure it will go faster with pedaling, as I did test before at the beach, but I want to do it here now to make sure it's all equal, same track, weather. And this bike actually fully charged, and I'll post it to the level 3 because it comes with 3 levels. So now let's do the speed test with ONEBOT S7 throttle only. You can feel actually torque right away. It's gave me 12 miles on GPS. I will talk about GPS only. Okay, so it's gave me 15 miles on GPS, so it's already 2 miles faster than Jetson Pro or Haze at this time, and it's going 15 pretty good. Throttle only, as you can see my feet is not moving. So I don't know, this bike is 250 watt motor, but I feel it's giving you more power than Haze or Jetson Pro, of course. Okay, so stable 15 miles. On display show me 17. I go with GPS, so basically plus 2 to 3 miles, it will be considered to be about like 17 to 18 miles on throttle only. And now I'm gonna go with pedal assist, fully pedaling, and to see how fast I can go. It's already 17, 18, 19 on GPS. On GPS. I can go even faster most likely if I pedal harder, but I don't want to. So it's hit 20 on GPS, which makes about 22 to 23 miles an hour with pedal assist, and I still have extra room to pedal more, but I'm not in shape, and I do equal testing, so I did about the same energy I put in this bike versus to other one. After the test, it feels like Jetson Pro was actually not bad. It's made about based on the GPS, I think it's about 15 to 16 miles an hour with my weight 215 pounds. Haze, because the battery was not fully charged, I forgot to actually charge it. I'm sorry about that. It's about, I would probably add another mile to it. So this bicycle made about 1 mile faster. So we would say about 15 plus 2 miles. I would say about 17 to 18 miles. But when you test it with a pedal assist, it would give me about the same maximum speed, about 18 miles. That's it. You cannot really pedal more because that's the way it's set it up. You can probably do some upgrades, but I'm not sure if it's worth it, because ONEBOT, it's a same weight as Jetson Bolt Pro. ONEBOT S7, made about on throttle only. It was, as you could see before, 15 plus between 2 to 3 miles, so it would be between 17 to 18 miles. Me on top of it, fully charged battery. But I noticed even it's discharged, the speed is still keeping up. I tried it already. I rode on this bike some mileage on it. So I would say it's the same, about the same speed as Haze on throttle only when it's fully charged. But when it comes to pedaling, this bike going about up to 20 miles plus 2, about 22 to 23 miles an hour. So S7 much faster when you pedal it with pedal assist. And not only that, it's more comfortable to ride it. With this bike I was afraid I'm gonna fall, because when you start to pedal it, it's kind of losing the balance. With ONEBOT, with this particular, it's more stable. When you pedal with higher speed, you try, and you don't really feel like it's a ghost pedaling anymore, because you still have enough pedaling room, so you can probably go up to 23 miles an hour most likely if you have enough speed pedaling. The battery, it's a smaller battery than, I think it's even smaller than Jetson Bolt Pro, but the distance is gave me pretty good actually. And I guess that's all. So the winner is ONEBOT, and the second place will be Jetson Haze, and again the third place Jetson Bolt Pro with no hack. If you hack this up with Bluetooth, you can go probably the same speed as Haze or ONEBOT on throttle only, but with pedal assist it will still go about up to 60 miles an hour, because you cannot really pedal as fast. It will be like ghost pedaling. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.